Welcome to NME ICT Sakshat e-content project under Ministry of HRD Government of India. This project is of marketing management. The project is under NME ICT, that is National Mission on Education through Information and Communication Technology. Under this mission, a proper balance between content generation, research in critical areas relating to imparting of education, and connectivity for integrating our knowledge with the advancement in other countries is to be attempted. In order to bolster our knowledge resources to obtain and maintaining the competitive edge in the world, we require a system of identification and nurturing of talent and lifelong learning. Knowledge modules based on personalized needs of the learner would need to be delivered to him or her at the right time with the right content interactively to take care of his or her aspirations. With these objectives in mind, these videos are created for the portal Sakshat. We will learn basic marketing over here.
Hi, I am LL means learner. I am learner of marketing management. I'll learn marketing in master's class. The desire for learning marketing comes out of interest. This is very interesting topic. Marketing management is seen everywhere in the society. You see up or down, you see here and there, you can see brand names and logos and advertisements and people working in marketing area. I am very much interested in learning marketing. Let us learn marketing from Dr. J. Badiani. He is going to teach marketing management under Sakshat e-content development project under National Mission on Education through Information and Communication Technology, that means NMEICT. Let us start learning.
Good morning to all. Today, we are going to learn organizing and controlling marketing operations.
Hello, good morning everybody. Today we learn organizing and controlling marketing operations. Organizing marketing operations. The marketing operation may be organized by function, geographical area, product or customer market. First, function organization. Here, function organization report to marketing vice president who coordinate the activities. In addition to function specialist, there might be customer service manager or a planning manager, etc. The strength these types of organization. These types of organization are easy to administer, coordinated by the vice president as a major challenging here. The second point, geographical area organization. The geographical area organization companies which are a national or international organizing according to the geography. Area market specializations are there for a specific area. More localized approach is plus point here. The third point, product organization. Product organization or product organization, brand organizations may be a added organization structure to function ones. Here the product manager there who care for individual product or group of product and brand manager here develop a competitive strategy, forecast, support for a product or group of product. For product which may be neglected by the functional specialist, this is a major advantage. Product manager can create a conflict and a frustration they cannot develop the functional expertise are major disadvantages here. The product teams here can be a vertical product team, triangle product team or horizontal product team. A customer marketing organization. Customer market organization. Fourth one, it is organized sell to different types of marketing like customer, business, government, etc. The organization can be based on a customer market. Each market has its own manager supervised by marketing management. Organized can be a combination of above given organization pattern. Controlling marketing operations. The manager of an existing small business may select a different goal. For example, one related maintaining control of marketing effort through various monitoring techniques. First, annual plan control, profitability control, efficiency control, and strategic control. First, annual plan control. The main purpose of this control is to examine that yearly plan results are being achieved or not. Four steps of annual plan control are: first, goal setting. This first step monthly or quarterly goal. Second, performance measurement. In a second, management monitoring its performance in the marketplace. Performance diagnosis. The third one, it determines the cases of serious performance in the marketplace. Corrective action. The fourth step says the management takes a corrective actions to close group between the goals and performance. Approaches to of annual plan control. The first is sales analysis. Sales analysis consists of measuring and evaluating actual sales in a reaction to sales the goals. Second, market share analysis. Through company sales, company cannot know the performance of company relatively competition. For the management need to trace its market share, which is, if goes up, the company is gaining on a competition and vice versa. Sales to expand ratio. Annual plan control requires making sure that the company is not overspending to achieve the sales goal. The main ratio to which that marketing expands to sales. Financial analysis. The management used the financial analysis to identify the factors that affect the company's rate of return on net worth. The rate of return on net worth is product of two ratio. One, return on assessment, and second on is financial leverage. Customer satisfaction tracing. All preceding control measurements are largely financial and a quantitative character. They are important but not sufficient. Alert the company set up a system to monitor the attitude and satisfaction of customer, dealer, and other stakeholders. Corrective actions. When performance derives too much from the plan's goal, management need to undertake corrective action. Second, profitably control. When it is come to the making the sure corporation say healthy, someone need to be engaged in the task of profitability control. The main purpose of this control is examining that the company is making and losing money or not. Third, efficiency control. If the profitability control include that the company is earning poor profit in some product and in some market, the company establish a marketing controller position to work for improving marketing efficiency. Several types of efficiency control are: sales force efficiency, average number of sales call per salesperson per day, sales call time per contract, revenue per sale call, cost per sales call, entertainment cost per sales call, percentage of order 100 sales call, number of new customer per period. Second, advertising efficiency. For advertising efficiency, there are so many statistics. First, advertising cost per thousands target buyer reached by media vehicle, consumer opinion on ad content and effectiveness, number of inquiries stimulated by the advertisement. Second, sales promotional efficiency. For the sales promotion efficiency, management should watch the following statistics. First, percentage of sales sold on deal, display cost per sales dollar, percentage of coupons redeemed, distribution efficiency. Management needed to search for a distribution economics. Several tools are available for improving inventory control, warehouses, locations, and transportation mode. Last, strategic control. During the time period, the companies need to some necessary review about their marketing goals and effectiveness. If each company's reassessment its strategic approach to the marketplace, many two tools are available. First, marketing effectiveness rating review, and second, marketing audit.
Thank you very much for the class and watching. I have learned a lot. Did you? Have a good day from the learner.